And the Supreme Court weighs in on the constitutionality of gay marriage. It's one of the biggest cases to hit the Supreme Court in some time. One America D.C. contributor David Brody is at the Supreme Court, and he has this story.
Well, we are witnessing democracy in action today, both sides for and against gay marriage here at the U.S. Supreme Court, as the justices hear arguments on what will surely go down as a landmark ruling. Now, the fundamental question is this: do gay Americans have a constitutional right to get married? But there is also another question they need to decide, and that is whether or not gay marriages that are legal in one state should be recognized in states that don't allow it. Whatever the decision, it will be historic, and Americans from all over the country are outside the Supreme Court here to take it all in.
Well, we're here to witness history. I mean, cases like this truly come around only once in a generation or so, and as a future attorney, it's just very exciting to see the law change right in front of your eyes. We're also here to support the plaintiffs, April and Jane, in their struggle to win equal rights for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender people.
Pro-traditional marriage advocates are hoping the Supreme Court will take their side. Senator Ted Cruz told me the following this weekend in Iowa.
What we have seen in recent years is the far left trying to use the courts, trying to use unelected federal judges to tear down the marriage laws of the states. And it is an assault that sadly has been succeeding across this country. And this case before the Supreme Court poses the most significant threat to marriage we've ever seen.
As to what happened inside the Supreme Court today, it appears the justices seem divided on the issue. What a shock. The key judge, of course, to watch is Anthony Kennedy. He seems to be the swing vote constantly. Today, he questioned the actual changing of the institution of marriage, but at the same time, he was concerned about excluding gay couples from getting married. So it really is hard to say what is going to happen. Right now, by the way, same-sex couples can marry in 36 states and the District of Columbia, but conservatives are quick to point out that the number of states is so high because judges are making these rulings, not the American people. David Brody, One America News, Washington.